In this video, I'm going to show you how to add graphs in CapCut on PC, step by step, so you can create smoother motion, cleaner animations, and a more professional look in your edits. If you've ever wanted your zooms, pans, or movement to feel less robotic and more cinematic, this is exactly how you do it. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to work on. Once you're inside your timeline, click on the clip you want to animate. This part is important because the graph settings only work on the selected clip, so make sure the correct video is highlighted before you move forward. Now go to the top right panel and open the video tab, then click the basic section. Here, you'll see options like scale and position. These are the settings you'll usually animate when you want to create movement. To start building your graph animation, click the diamond icon next to either scale or position. This sets your first keyframe, which is basically your starting point. After that, move your playhead forward on the timeline to the point where you want the motion to end. Then adjust the scale or position again. CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe for you. Once that happens, you should see two blue diamond markers on your clip. That means your animation is now set up and ready for graph editing. Next, we need to open the graph editor. With the clip still selected, press Alt and K on your keyboard. If that shortcut doesn't work for you, you can also right-click the clip and choose Show Keyframe Animation. Either way, CapCut will open a dedicated animation track below your clip in the timeline. This is where you'll be able to fine-tune the motion and make it feel much smoother. Now look at the animation track and find your keyframe diamonds. These are the points that control the movement between the start and end of your animation. Click on the line or the keyframe you want to smooth out. Then look for the graph or curve icon. Depending on your version of CapCut, it may appear as a small squiggly line, a curve symbol, or an arrow near the right side of the animation track header. In some cases, it may also appear inside a floating keyframe panel. Once you find it, choose a curve option like Auto Curve, Ease In, or Ease Out. Auto Curve is the fastest option if you want CapCut to smooth everything instantly. Ease In makes the motion start slowly and speed up, while Ease Out makes it begin fast and slow down at the end. These graph options are what give your animation that polished, natural feel instead of a stiff, linear movement. If you want to make your edit feel more dynamic, try different graph styles and preview the result. Even small changes can make a huge difference in how your animation looks. A smooth graph can turn a basic zoom into something that feels much more premium and engaging. When you're happy with the result, you can close the graph view by pressing Alt and K again, or by clicking the X on the animation track if that option appears. This will collapse the keyframe panel so you can continue editing your video normally. And that's it. You've now learned how to add graphs in CapCut on PC and smooth out your animations like a pro. This is one of those editing tricks that can instantly level up your videos, especially if you create tutorials, shorts, reels, or any content where motion matters. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.